How to get Flybuys card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can get a Flybuys card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get Flybuys card, first of all, you can't order or maybe a request for a replacement card using the Flybuys app. So for this step, what we need to do is we need to open up our browser here, go to flybuys.co.nz because this is a New Zealand site. Make sure that you are logged into your account and you'll see this type of interface by default where you can see view all balances. So I'm going to go to the view all balances tab here, where under it you'll be able to see my current card. So what I can do, one of the things is go to this view all cards section, and when I go to view all cards, I'll be able to see all the cards that I currently own, where you'll also be able to find the option to get a replacement card as well. So let this web page to load up successfully, and after this does, what happens is that you should be able to find the option to get a replacement card. As you can see right under this, you'll find get a replacement button, so you can just tap on the get a replacement option to order for a replacement card if you happen to lose them. You can customize the name on the card and request a new card as well if you'd like. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically get or order a Flybuys card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.